how to prepare for physical chemistry. This is really very interesting to tell this about physical chemistry, because this is the simplest and the most important. Almost I've written 5 simple sutras which you follow, you'll do best the physical chemistry. First thing is formula at one place for quick revision. Write all the formulas at one place. For all the formulas, whatever you had in physical chemistry, maybe it may be little or more, you please write all the formulas at one place, stick it in your room, and you just go through all the formulas. That's the first important thing you do it. Next, practice more number of mathematical simplification without using calculator. This what happens is, recent past when you have done with your online examining and when you have been conducting online exam, most of the children are doing using calculator. See, please avoid this calculators right now, because people have been, if once you have been accustomed with this calculators, you'll definitely miss all your this thing. Like you people will definitely one day you even forget what is 2 into 2 also. So don't at all use calculators for the last minute of preparation. Of course, in the class, teachers may use calculators only to make us little faster, so that the teacher can teach more number of questions in the class. He may use a calculator. That is the only intention of a teacher. You may think that teachers are using calculators. Only our intention is, if at all we stuck with the calculation part, what happens is nothing but we may not be able to teach more number of questions and concepts. That's the only reason. But you people don't use at all calculator, and that will definitely damage your score. And because you may know all the the formula, the substitution, everything, but end wherever the calculatory part is there, if at all you missed it, it makes you really pinches you a lot. Next, try not to do complete simplification. This is a very important point which every student has to be carefully listen. For any physical chemistry question, don't do complete simplification. You just while you're simplifying, only look to the 4 options, and whichever answer is very close to that, you better tick it off. See, sometimes that the same pattern has happened last year also. I have to say this also, because last year what has happened is the question was being given and the options are given like very close, 3.12, 3.13. See, 3.12 and 13, wherever the questions are being in that way, if the second decimal is changing, then you may have to complete the simplification. If the options are very far off, if the options are given in tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s, why should you do the complete simplification? Try to do a simple simplification. While you're doing simplifying also, you see that you're putting a cat eye on your 4 options. You see the 4 options. While you're doing also, you see the 4 options, whether your answers is coming in hundreds, thousands, or 10,000. So that will be more faster to hit your answer. So try not to do complete simplification. Instead, try to reach the nearest answer given in the options, which saves a lot of time. Next, generally first options are traps. This is also, children, this is very, very important, which you need to understand. The moment you get an answer, first option in physical chemistry, take a pause. Just take a pause. Yes, maybe the first. I don't deny saying that first options will not be the answers. That's not my intention telling. Generally, teachers give first option as a trap. The moment you read the question and when you answer it, the first option is the answer. Yes, you take a little pause. Just take a pause. Of course, when you take a pause, you'll understand. Yes, that is something which have to be maybe a trap. If ever it approaches to the one, take a pause, recheck once before you bubble it. Because here bubbling is also done with pen. Children, once you have done bubbling and you can't get back this. And last and final thing, that is be careful with units, children. Units conversions is very important. You may do it with different units and definitely you'll end up with a different answer. Our options are also given with changing the units also. So please be careful with units while doing something.